There is a lot of Bitcoin ETF news going around, and I know that you guys are bombarded heavily with such news. So this video will focus purely on the things that matter, and that is what are the symbols that you should look for when you're about to purchase your ETF, and secondly, where you can buy them. So this video will purely focuses on the things that matter. So I request you to watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, as a ritual, I always say, do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and also do check out the link shared in the description and join our Telegram community right away if you want updates like these, which I'm about to share, also about crypto pumps, crypto pre-sales, and crypto airdrops and new token launches. Everything is covered in our Telegram community, so click on the link below and join it right away. So this video will focus purely on the ETF. So let's talk about ETF, but before that, let us talk what is ETF in brief, and then I will take you through the symbols that matters and how you can purchase those ETF legally. Yes, so let me go with the textbook definition of ETF before moving ahead, and this is what ETF means. ETF is a basket of assets that trades on a stock exchange. It's a basket of currencies or assets which combine together to make an index. Similarly, you have ETF which replicates the set of tokens which are part of it. Now you know the big ones like SPY and IBY that mirror the S&P 500, a stock index tracking 500 of the largest companies in the US in case of the spot Bitcoin trading ETF. So this is called as spot Bitcoin ETF, which means the spot means holding the asset that they are talking about, which means Bitcoin in this case, and not some artificial version or the derivatives contract. So Bitcoin spot ETF means that you are actually trading the actual Bitcoin, not any virtual number. So that's the difference between the ETFs and Bitcoin spot ETF. And to separate it from the mutual fund, you have this definition right over here. Unlike a mutual fund, you can buy and sell ETFs as much as you like during the trading hours, as long as anybody else is also buying and selling. If you see some big Bitcoin headlines, you can get in or out whenever you like. So that's the flexibility that the spot Bitcoin ETF provide. So this is the basic definition of ETF. Now I will tell you what are the symbols that you should look for in an ETF and what all ETFs are approved, so you may track them by putting them in your watch list. So here are the symbols. You can see right over here. You have this one. The SEC gave the green light signal to 11 issuers that applied for Bitcoin exchanges trading funds in the first wave of approval. These are ARK Invest, ARKK, BlackRock, VanEck, Wisdom Tree, Fidelity, Invesco, Franklin, Hashtags, Wildcire, Grayscale, of course, received approval to uplift GBTC to the New York Stock Exchange. And this is the table that you may want to screenshot. If you want to download it, just click on the link below, and also you can find this link in the Telegram community of ours to download the same data. So here are the links. You can see the ticker ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF, ARKB. This is the ticker, and issuer is ARK Invest and 21 shares. Then second is Bitwise with BITB. Third is Fidelity with FBTC, Franklin EZBC, Grayscale GBTC, Hashtags DeFi. Now this is an interesting one. Invesco and Galaxy BTCO, BlackRock, the famous ETF of them all with IBIT symbol, Wildcire, of course, BlackRock also known as iShares Bitcoin Trust. So you may want to remember this name, iShare. It will be highlighted time and again into many newspapers coming forward. So Wildcire is BRRR, VanEck is HODL, and finally we have Wisdom Tree, BTCW. So these are the 11 tickers that you should take note of, or you can screenshot this, or you can ask me in the comment section, or you can check out the link shared in the description. You will find all these symbols right over there. So these are the 11 Bitcoin ETFs that are approved by SEC officially and legally, right? And these are the exchanges where you can trade them: CBOE, NYSE, CBOE, NYSE, NASDAQ, CBOE. Now the thing is that you have the exchange ready, you have the Bitcoin ETF ready, you have the companies who are providing these services. Now the question is how much they will be charging per trade. So this is the trade charges, which is 0.2 to 1.5%. Now the trading will start today itself, which is I think on Thursday right now. So you can trade them on NYSE or CBOE. Now the final part is what are the best brokers that are providing the ETF buy and sell services. So here you have the list of them, which is Robinhood and Charles Schwab apps. So Robinhood's, of course, we all know one of the very famous apps we have. And then you have go down here, Morgan Stanley, E-Trade, and Fidelity Investment, or any number of smaller scalping players. So again, ETF is nothing new, but the thing is that it will not get listed on cryptocurrency exchanges, especially Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, because of their clashes with SEC. So that's the only reason why you won't see this ETF being listed on these exchanges. So they will be available on the one that are supporting NYSE and SIBO. So clearly you can have the tickers ready. If you want to trade, you can trade them. If you believe in Bitcoin, you can get into the spot Bitcoin ETF. That's a good opportunity, especially for the retail traders. And of course, that's a bigger opportunity for the big time investors. So these are the symbols that you should note down. And of course, only invest what you can afford to lose. Do not just follow the crowd. Do not just follow the hype. Check the price action. Check the technical charts, check the BTC price, check the Ethereum price, and how the market is behaving, and then make your investment decision. So this video has summarized what all tickers that are available for the ETF and what you can trade and where you can trade. For any questions, just comment below, or you can join my Telegram, and of course I will be happy to respond. With that, I complete my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do watch the video, the important video shared on the end screen and also in the description. I see you tomorrow with a new video and the new content. Like, share and subscribe, spread the word. We are going to the moon pretty soon. Thank you.